all these explanations on TV by Wike, I don't understand why he's whining and crying. The only thing I would advise him is that there's no way he will escape the involvement of his supporters, which I'm beginning to believe from his TV comments that he was fully aware and might have also been part of it. So that's why I'll commend the state government for setting up a judicial panel of inquiry. It doesn't matter who you are, the panel must sit. And if indeed he was involved in this treasonable act, this act of treason to destroy another arm of government and burn it to the ground, then he should be charged. He should be prosecuted. And he should be declared wanted. If he enters Rivers, any citizen, any group of people have the right to confront him and arrest him, going by the provisions of the criminal justice law. We cannot continue to... What are we pampering? No, what are we pampering? So what was all this cry about? A whole state, a whole government will be your own because you came from where? Because you made what contribution in the area of economy, industry, investment, education? What is it? They have done fantastic that the government should be surrendered to you. Is it a military rule? Because some people can't resist, material things, and some people are keeping quiet. So I want to thank the state government for setting up judicial panel of inquiry. Get to the work, get it sorted out, and all those that are involved. The office of the Attorney General should prosecute them. Burning down the whole government to prove what stupid point. Tell me the point they're trying to prove. As who? That's the fact they even think that they can burn down an arm of government and nothing will happen is the one that makes people go crazy. And everybody will keep blaming the president because they are carrying out these things, believing, pretending, or parading as supporters of the president, and that's why nothing will happen to them. So if they burn a government at the local level, they will burn state, they will burn federal, and democracy will be burned down. Tomorrow, people will be looking for who will support to resist. Nobody will resist that because if people that are supporting the president and all of them are burning down arms of government, and government does not want to see it and deal with it decisively because those people are working for you, and you are living in a glass house, and people are flying these stones, the consequences. And I keep warning about this. Let's avert it. One man's ambition, trying to hide as a supporter of president, to pursue an ambition that is the height of political greed, to do the unthinkable, and why out of office have a third term. Then the judiciary will be brought down, security agencies will be brought down, every arm of government will be brought down. As who? And I keep us as who? Is he his role or his father's role in what Azikiwa, Wolo, Watafabelo, what they did? Where is his role? Where is his business that is giving him money now? Let's say he has created employment or industry.